How to start a streak on Snapchat. So if you want to start a streak on your Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you should take a snap or a video. So for example, I'll be taking a snap, and then in the snap or in this video, you may do anything you want by going to the right side, which is like text. You can draw something, go with stickers, or you can crop, add music, or all of the other options, right? But most of the users who want to start the streak, they just simply write S or just type streak. So it depends on you and your friend. And once you've done that, now you just need to simply go with send, which is on the bottom right, and you need to send that to your friends. And after that, send. They should also reply with a snap. And once they reply you with a snap, then on the right side of that person, you will have the numbers, right? Which is like this. So in my case, I have the numbers right here. So if you get the number 1, then that means you've started a streak. And if you want to maintain that streak, you just need to simply send a snap or receive a snap daily. And after that, by the days pass, your streak will increase. So that's how you can start a streak on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.